Hi, this is Gail from BERNINA of Naperville, and guess what time it is? It's the 11th of the month coming up on Monday, and that means it's time for another BERNINA of Naperville and OESD Joint Forces virtual event. Now, this virtual event is really special because it's a little bit of a new event, and it's on tiling scenes like this one or the merry and bright that's behind me. Now, if you're not familiar with the tiling scene, it's like a way that you can make a huge embroidery scene all done on smaller hoops. So this is suitable for any brand machine, any size hoop. You can do a tiling scene, and in some cases the stitch density even isn't that thick. So if you're not doing anything on Monday, October 11th at 10 a.m. Central Time, you and I are going to find out together how to make a tiling scene. You'll learn from the experts all of the tips and tricks to make yours exciting, because I've got something special that I'm going to be embroidering a tiling scene into, and yeah, I'd like you to join us. Now, there's more than just the educational experience that you're going to get, because you know why you do these things. You go to get the 25% off discount, and you're not fooling me at all. So yes, you'll get a coupon code for the 25% off discount as well. So here's the deal. If you can't be there in person, you can still sign up through the Eventbrite link. It's going to be in the description of this video. It's also on our Facebook page under events, and it'll also be, and it is, on the homepage of our website, BERNINAofNaperville.com. So you're going to sign up through Eventbrite, then you're going to get an email. And now you don't have to watch this live and in person. You can watch it after the fact. But your discount code is good for 24 hours, the initial live date. So you don't want to snooze. You want to, watch it and get your code eventually within that 24 hours, or else you're going to lose that opportunity for the discount. So let's just have a peek at how easy it is to sign up. So to sign up for the event is pretty easy. We're going to go to BERNINAofNaperville.com, and right on our homepage, if we scroll a little bit, you'll see the information for our virtual tiling embroidery event. So you just click the register button, and then you're going to go to the register button again. And now here is where we're going to pick how many attendees. Really, you're going to sign up yourself, and you're going to hit register again. Sometimes you might have to scroll down to find that register button, and then you're going to give them your first name, your last name, your email address, confirm your email address. This is the hardest part for me, because I'm a horrible typer. And then give them your name one more time and your email address one more time. And then the register button becomes active. You might have to scroll down to check your keep me updated, and Eventbrite can send me emails or whatever if you want to check or not check. Then you click register, and then you're all set. And then once they're ready to send you the information, you're going to receive an email to the one that you just typed into Eventbrite. It's that easy. All right, what do you think? You going to do it? You better. The folks at OESD work really hard to make these events a success for both them, me, and you. So we'll see you soon, and thanks so much. And if you want to see more videos like this one, you want to see some tutorials, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. It's youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe.